Good morning, guys. Today I'm just going to make a very chill, classic old school vlog of my family holiday. I'm using the action pod to vlog with so I can see myself, and then this is the camera just by itself, and I'll be mounting it throughout the day, getting some fun angles, taking it in the sea because it's fully waterproof, and yeah, just simply capturing some fun family moments. It's really nice to be able to vlog on cameras this small because often I'm lugging around two huge mirrorless cameras with loads of different lenses and stuff, but this is just simple, lightweight, portable, perfect for the portability of travel and just trying to be lightweight as I'm walking around, going down to the beach and stuff. Anyway, let's go see how Neo's doing. Hey, mister, I have some fruit for you. Bananas, peaches. You want an orange? You can sit down, Neo. I know you're very excited. Here you go.
Oh, where is everyone? I want to play.
Yum yum. I love bananas. I love bananas.
Yeah.
Right, we're reading a book. Okay, mister. I can see a funny face. Can you see it too? It's Baby Monkey and he's waving at you. Hi. Our mission today is to collect some sea glass. We've been finding little bits of sea glass. Aren't they pretty, Neo? Yeah. No, don't need. But yeah, do you want to show the camera? Should we go in the sea? You want to come swimming? Yeah? We've come down to this really beautiful, like boho beach cafe that we've been eyeing up. Oh, this normally comes with cheese, but they did it without cheese.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. Tomatoes are really good. Cheers. Got our coconut ice lollies.
It's nice.
Okay, I've got my little tripod that turns into a selfie stick and I'm heading into town. I just dropped some of my family off, then went and parked because it's impossible to park in town. But we're gonna have a little wander around and enjoy this sunny afternoon. Walked over to the other side of the castle. Normally we're on the beach around the corner, but we came to this beach today and I'm going to try and find everyone. It is packed. Look at this. This is absolutely rammed. Bed. Bed. Do you want to go in there, Neo? Ooh, I think we should go in the car. Okay, mister, you ready to go on the carousel? Right, I've got a view of Neo in the buggy. Oh, that's an awesome shot. Look.
Oh, cute.
So I think the Go 3S is great for like really unique shots, like clipping it onto Neo's buggy or just like unique angles, but also I think it's just great as a vlogging camera as well.
I like how kind of covert it is, because vlogging in public can be like scary for some people.
Yeah.
Because when you're holding a massive camera and everyone's staring at you, but this, I think people don't even know it's a camera, you know?
Yeah.
So it's good. It's more chill.
It's very chill.
Yeah.
And it's so lightweight. I can just have like 2 of them in my pocket and I don't even notice it. Versus like having to clip on bulky cameras and then like, I can't run with them or anything.
Like pants or trousers have literally fallen down from him having the weight of his cameras before. This is getting really bumpy. I hope this camera has good stabilization.
It's got very good stabilization. So I found most of the time I quite like just rocking the Go 3S in its natural form, just as a single camera. But when I want to really get the shot perfect, I like shooting with the action pod. So it's got the flip screen obviously, and then I can have a look at what I'm shooting. Oh yeah, that's awesome. What do you think, Mia? Do you like it here?
Is that what you think?
Yeah. Okay. The mode I'm recording in is FreeFrame mode, which means I can basically do a 360 turn and it locks the horizon. So it doesn't matter what way I'm holding the camera, it will always keep the image, horizon locked. And then there's a standard video mode, which is a locked ratio. So it's either locked this way or this way. So let me switch to that. This mode is shooting 16:9 with a locked ratio. And then if I tilt, it actually tilts. And then shooting 9:16. And obviously the flow state stabilization is activated. So it's very, very stable. I love it. Now, obviously the big upgrade for the Go 3S is that it shoots 4K resolution now. The Go 3 only shot 2.7K, so it's really amazing now to have 4K. It also shoots 200 frames a second at 1080, which I'm gonna demonstrate right now. I'm just gonna pour a glass of water here and show you at 200 frames. Let's have a look. Just switch that over. Video, slow-mo. I just came up with a cool suggestion. Because the Insta360 GO 3S is magnetic, we could get some fun creative shots just by like sticking it to things and walking past. So I'm just gonna plop it here on this drain pipe. It just sticks there. And we're just gonna walk past and get a cool shot. Okay, so I've got my magnetic pendant on and I just got out this extra kind of clip, like this holder. So when I put the camera in, I can actually tilt and change the angle, because sometimes like the way it's mounted on my chest, or if you've got different shaped chests, it might not be pointing forward. So if I look at the action pod now, I can actually see what it's pointing at and start recording. So there, look, I can actually see my preview. And what I'm gonna do is leave this recording and I'm gonna take this camera now and mount it behind here. Oh yeah, that's really cool. And I can see the preview on here. I want to try another mode. It's TimeShift. This is basically like a moving time lapse, and I'm just going to put it on my chest. Let's start recording. Nice. I'm gonna try a creative shot here by holding the spoon at the bottom of the action pod. Oh yeah, this looks good,
Yeah.
Oh, num. Not present right now. Right, I'm gonna try and mount this. Oh, I can mount it up here, can't I? Got this little magnetic mounting clip. Put it up here. It's pretty good. Right, so I've mounted the action pod onto the magnetic clip on here. And then I'm gonna mount this camera onto my chest for like a first person driving clip. This will be, this will be interesting to see. Yeah, this will be interesting to see what it's like for driving vlogs. It's not always easy getting shots whilst in the car, and I had to buy a special suction mount for my big camera, but it's not always practical, and it's kind of obstructing the view often for the passenger and stuff like that, so it's nice just having little cameras to be able to like place around. Wait, this is a fun shot. This is a really fun shot. Again, I wouldn't be able to line this up without the action pod with the screen, so I can actually see the angle and what I'm looking at. Is everyone good?
Yeah. Everyone's good.
Oh, nice. Right, we are heading home for dinner. Right, the time lapse is still going. The sky's looking pretty awesome.